You can highlight candlesticks pattern on charts. They are visible as colored boxes on current chart. To set or change settings for same, right-click on price chart and select candlesticks patterns from shortcut menu. One small window will appear. Two white box shows candlesticks patterns with two buttons in middle. Right-hand side box represents selected candlesticks pattern which will be highlighted on chart. You can remove candlesticks pattern from right-hand side with help of left-hand side pointing arrows button. With help of right-hand pointing arrow buttons you can add candlesticks patterns in right-hand box. Maximum 8 candlesticks patterns can be highlighted on any one tab. You can also choose different colors for different candlesticks patterns so it will be easy to identify highlighted patterns. If user don't want candlesticks patterns to highlighted on any tab, then they can set it off. On top you will see option with help of that you can set whether candlesticks pattern has to be highlighted or not. Select option to false if you don't want to see patterns. User can also scan candlestick patterns in group. Go to Analysis search menu and select Candlesticks and similar small window will open. It has option of scanning candlesticks category wise too, like default option is bullish patterns. Here too, right hand side box represents selected candlesticks pattern which you want to scan. You can change them with help of two buttons in middle. From top you can select category, you can change it to bearish or consolidation patterns, and if you don't want to scan candlesticks category wise then select all option in top combo box.